Real comfort is going out of comfort and feel your body that you are in control even when the severest of stress is ongoing. When you are capable of doing that, then you really bring this deep connection, deep understanding, deep feeling. We have all the tools inside. We are born with them. We should learn how to use them. It's like the mechanisms, and it has a button. And you can increase the volume of that. If you don't hear yourself from the inside, increase the volume.
My whole